And me, I didn't do enough one. Maybe I did enough one. You understand? So, me I will try find the nicest way to tell you. Because at the end of the day, we're representing a company. So when one of them up, first of all, what a lot of us don't realize, they're not going to say, example, Curry. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, I want to start my video by saying Happy Veterans Day to all the veterans out there. I want to say Happy Veterans Day to my little sister also. Yes guys, I have a sister that's in the Navy. So guys, as you see me here, I don't know what to say. I'm about to do a story time, right? I have so much things that I want to say, and I have to let them out little by little, and I feel the best place to put it is on my YouTube platform. I don't see the yellow background, I don't know what time it is. So anyway guys, now talk about fake people, fake friends. Because that's really something that a lot of us deal with every day in our everyday life. You understand? Me personally, I am allergic to people like those, and I'm a non-bullshit person. You understand? And you see, if I want to lose respect for you, just make me feel like, say, you they lie to me, I they carry me around and I bring me around, and then they sus this, and then they come back, so then they come play one way, yes, so work, something or the other. So, I just hate hypocrite people. Yeah. I hate it. One of the worst things is when you do everything out of the goodness of your heart to somebody, and you do even nothing, no negative vibes, everything I do, not that the person, but not talk about me alone, we're talking in general, not that the person that contribute to nothing that you are doing or that you have, but you still just look upon the person and say, oh, me rate the person, so I do this and I do that. And the person turn around and betray you. You see people like those, I don't give second chance in my life. No. We deal with them, as my mother say, they say deal with them with a long stick or something like that. Love orange juice. Yes. But people nowadays, especially me, I don't really have no friends. Like, period. I don't really keep friends. I have associates, but I have too much sisters. And when me and all of them know me maybe not live good or not talk up every day or something. But me have one sister when me sure say I can call her my niece at Trinidad. My sister at Trinidad, I'm sure I can call them. I want somebody to chat to for the whole day. I'm sure if you talk. But the moral of the whole thing is, I'm not going to know say you do me wrong. I'm going to say, I'm going to say yeah. I'm going to say and laugh with you. No, I am not. I'm not going to laugh with you. No. No. That's why too much things happen nowadays. Because me a friend, and if me tell you the truth about something, you vex with me. I'm very straightforward. People always say me not take that, but let me tell you something, man. You see, me when you come to with bullshit, I ain't gonna listen to shit you saying. You know? But now I'm gonna listen to you. Fine, brown. Yeah, but this hypocrite business and this hypocrite game, even if you cut it out, you know, and I think we'll have less violence, less crime, less of everything. You see me? May I have a friend, may I go somewhere, your dress might look away, your ear might look a little untidy. Alright, let me go talk about a little story now about myself. Like, it have issues we have with people, where basically they want to support them and all that. And one little thing bring up to a big thing, people start talk say, so I can't dress, my ear never do good yet, this never that, and listen, you know, those are the same people who used to see me and be like, girl, you look so good, girl, I be like, thank you, you know. Those are the same people always compliment me. So I'm like, fuck. I be a man shoe wear. I like Jordans. I wear a lot of Jordans. She wear always this, she wear always that. But guess what? Them something that don't shake curry. Guys, and don't forget the number one rule, subscribe. Before I go to another video, and subscribe. You hear me? Yeah. But that's just to show you. That's just to show you, say, people are fake out here because me are a woman. And if you see me come out and you see me ear look a little messy. And you can't look at me and say, Corey, you don't say you're a little messy, fix it, I'm not gonna fix it for you. Rather, you go and you go. And you still compliment me, you know? You still compliment me and tell me say my ear look nice. When you know deep down say messy. But you know, tell me until me have an argument. You know? People like those, you can't get me talk to them back. That's how devious I am. Yeah. I not hate them, you know. But guess what? They will watch me drop in a hole and I tell me. Till me drop in a hole and say, you want me help if you come up? Yeah. When I was living in Trinidad, I used to work at a certain place. I'm not going to call the place name or nothing because I don't want nobody to know when I talk about. If any of my ex-co-workers is on this, they will know what I'm talking about. Is that this certain female, she was fat, you know? Well, I really like use the word fat. You say thickers. Yeah, she thick. Isn't it? Yeah, cause a lot of people say me fat and thing, but I don't really care what they want, so they can say anything because I guess so. Them not put on my pot. So anyway, everybody used to be going around and say, oh, she smell bad. She smell bad, she this, she that, she that. She ain't coming out here. And listen, remember me is a female, you know. Sorry. I feel so bad for her. And me, I didn't do enough one. Maybe I did enough one. You understand? So, me I will try find the nicest way to tell you. Because at the end of the day, we're representing a company. So when one of them up, you know, first of all, you know, whatever a lot of us don't realize, you know, they're not going to say, example, curry smell, example. They're going to say, AAA associates them. I'm doing it as an example. I don't know, AAA name associate them smell. That's what they're going to say. So people going to be looking at them. I wish, you know. But yes. So on every day work, I used to work, it have everything there. Bathroom, a tank. Nice place. So I said to her, I say, you want me to come here for you? I say, yes. I'm not going to come here or something. I say, you want me to wash it for you and thing? I say, yes. Work with you know, but we used to work overnight. We was doing security, like, we was young. I was young, you know? And it was a boarding school, so let me just go in it so you can understand what I'm talking about. Oh, it come to me, can do all of that in the night. She said, yes, son, yeah, my stomach. So I wash her ear for her and make you know, Roy and thing because her ear was smelling real bad and thing. And tell her, say, sometimes I say, me a woman, I'm not this for you feel no way. She was a Trinidadian too. I said, I'm not this for you feel no way, but it is a little older and thing, you know. She said, really? Listen, the way how she deal with it, I feel so good, me tell her. You understand? The way how she anger the whole thing, like she did glad, like she never even smell herself. And people used to scan her and thing. And me tell her, I was the one who tell her. I said, you see me, I don't downgrade people. One, I don't downgrade people. I don't put on nobody. I don't act like me better than nobody. You understand? I just live and what I want to say, I want to get. You understand? I'm not trying to pretend to nobody what I am not. You understand? I'm not going to let nobody know my business. What you know, you know. What you don't know, you just don't know. You understand? But I cannot pretend. If you do me something wrong and me and a friend and I talk to you about it and you can't admit something to tell the truth, so I don't like it. Well, we don't have to be no friend. You did this for me there, so I'm not eating in my heart, you know, for nobody, but I'm not gonna deal with you. I have to deal with a long stick. As my mother say, deal with a long stick. Guys, please don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Me not stop telling you. Don't just watch all the video. Want to like, comment, subscribe, and share. You understand? Come, remember we're on the road to 1,000 subscribers, and I have a lot more in store for you guys. You know, someone want to comment and tell me if you ever encounter people like those fake people, negative people. Sometimes people say me too plain. It's like you need to put something, you know, you're too plain, you're not TikTok, you know, whatever. And I'm not TikTok. But if you're gonna come to me bullshit, I'm not gonna, me not listen to you. Me tell up here, me not listen to you. You understand? You see me? I have a big story come for now in a soon. About something that happened to me present right now. You know? But I'm not gonna come with it as yet. Guys, if you're new here, I'm gonna let out a lot on this. This is gonna be my venting place. You know? This is gonna be where I vent. You know? Telling the story. I don't know if my story can open any of your eyes to stuff. Love me some orange juice. But yes, again, happy Veterans Day to all the veterans. You understand? Yeah, I'm want to say a special happy Veterans Day to my sister. Yes, guys. And please, guys, I'm going to put in the description box below my sister channel also. That's Via's Kitchen and Lifestyle. That's Via's Kitchen and Lifestyle. VIA''S Kitchen and Lifestyle. Yes, I'm going to put the link in the description box below. So please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Okay, guys. Love you guys. Bye. I'm out.